friends, I want to share with you a pocket letter that I created for a spring pocket letter swap that I'm participating in, which is hosted by my friend Jennifer of Scrapbooks and Memories. So I wanted to share with you what I made. This is my second pocket letter. I feel like I'm starting to get the hang of it. So the first thing I did was I added this really pretty lace down the edge, and then over the lace I added some trim. And then I sewed on these buttons, and I also sewed on the butterfly. I probably could have hot glued it, but I had my needle and thread out, so I went ahead and sewed it. Then I also went across the top with the matching trim, and then I put these little banners across, and they say bloom and grow. In each pocket I have a card, and those can be removed and used. And on each pocket I have some bling. So you'll see that on each one except for the center one. The center one is a shaker. Hard to shake the whole thing, but it is a shaker. And I sewed this trim right across here, and it will hold the sequins in place. So these would not be able to be used, but she could certainly reuse this in another pocket letter swap if she wanted to. And then you can see the rest of the cards here. They're all a spring theme, and the paper pack that I used is this one. Oops, this one. It's called Happy Spring, and it was by Recollections. And so that's what I've used for the cards. Now when you flip it over, I have an additional card or tag on the opposite side. So each pocket has 2 tags in it, and I put bling on each one of these as well, except for the shaker, of course. Friends, I have some other items that I'm going to be sending to Jennifer as well, and you can see that they would not fit into the pocket letter. So I will be stuffing these into some decorative bags and wrapping them super nice and popping them in the box with the pocket letter. I always appreciate you coming over and spending time with me. Thanks for watching. See you soon.